इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में कुछ ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं जो हम यूज करते हैं और अगर हमारे सेंटेंस में ऐड करते हैं तो उससे हमारा सेंटेंस का क्वालिटी काफी अच्छा हो जाता है। अगर आप उन वर्ड्स के मीनिंग बाय मीनिंग पर जाओगे तो आई एम श्योर यू विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड। और ऐसे ही ये ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं इडियम्स। अब इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ऐसे काफी सारे इडियम्स हैं, इट इज प्रैक्टिकली वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लर्न ऑल दीज इडियम्स। सो हमने क्या किया है, वी हैव कैटेगराइज्ड ऑल दीज इडियम्स इनटू डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी विल बी लर्निंग ऑल द bird idioms. The first idiom in this group is a home bird, meaning someone who prefers to spend his or her time at home even when she is alone or during a social condition. Example, she is a home bird, she does not prefer to party usually. The second is a bird's eye view, meaning a view from above or a broad perspective on anything. Example, I'm on the 34th floor right now and I've got a bird's eye view of the New York City. The third one is very interesting one. It is kill two birds with one stone. अब जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं एक तीर से दो निशाना मारना, मतलब कुछ ऐसा एक्शन करना जिससे आपके दो रिजल्ट्स अचीव हो जाए. That is called as kill two birds with one stone. Example, I'd gone for a business trip and there I met my relatives as well. This is how I killed two birds with one stone. The fourth one is a little bird told me. Now say for example आपको किसी के बारे में कुछ information मिलता है किसी और से, that is called as a little bird told me. Say an example, आपको कोई बोलता है कि उनके बारे में आपको कुछ पता है कि नहीं, या do you know that they both are dating? So you can say yes, I know that both are dating, a little bird told me. Means you got that information secretly from someone and that's why you use this idiom, a little bird told me. The fifth one is very interesting and you can use it as an attribute to someone else. The idiom is having eagle eyes or eagle-eyed. Means eagle को आपको पता ही होगा कि उसका vision बहुत ही strong होता है. It has very strong vision and focus. That is how this idiom has come into play. So eagle-eyed or eagle eyes means someone who is having very strong focus and vision. Example, my boss has eagle eyes. She notices everything that we do. So yes, if you want to say someone or tell someone that उनके बहुत ही अच्छा vision है, बहुत ही strong vision है, you can say she or he has eagle eyes. The sixth one is sick as a parrot, meaning very disappointed, extremely disappointed. So you use this idiom when you are extremely disappointed और जिसके बारे में आप बोल रहे हो that person is extremely disappointed. Example, I scored very less marks in my exam and now I'm sick as a parrot. Or he was sick as a parrot because he lost the football match. The seventh and the last one is to have butterflies in your stomach. So say for example ऐसा कोई भी situation है जहां पर आप बहुत ही nervous हो, there's something very important coming up like an exam या कुछ आपका task है या कुछ ऐसी exam है जहां पर आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा nervous हो, you're very excited as well as nervous, you can use this idiom to have butterflies in your stomach. Example, I'm having my presentation tomorrow and that's why I'm having butterflies in my stomach. Or I'm having my exams tomorrow and that's why I'm having butterflies in my stomach. So whenever you're nervous, you're very tense and apprehensive, you can use the idiom to have butterflies in your stomach. So this is how in this video we have covered 7 new idioms जो हम bird category में डाल सकते हैं. I'll tell you, there are many idioms in English language and it is very important to learn all these idioms and to try to use them in your daily sentences. But the problem is we are not able to remember these idioms and अगर हम word by word जाएंगे, so the meanings of these idioms with regards to the words is absolutely different. So that's why in the future video what we'll do is हम हर idiom को categorize करेंगे अलग अलग department पे. Like for example in this video we have categorized all the bird idioms. In the future video we'll categorize all the other idioms. So I request all of you to learn all these idioms, understand their meanings, make example sentences and try to use these in your daily conversations. Idioms, phrasal verbs, ऐसी सारी चीजें अगर आप ऐड करेंगे अपने सेंटेंस में, you'll start to enhance the formation and structure of your sentence. You'll take it to the next level. So if you have found this video useful या अगर आपको कुछ भी सीखने मिला हो, if you have learned any new idiom, please do like this video. Also to subscribe to our channel, and if you have found this content or this channel helpful, please make sure that you share this with your friends and also in your WhatsApp group and stay updated for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.